Hello everyone, I'm Amr Sukkar, adjunct professor at Leeds University. I'm inviting you for my next webinar, Management Functions. It's very important webinar because it gives you a basics for any studying about management. You should understand well the management functions, especially to help you in the future if you will study strategic management, crisis management. Especially there is a different experts have classified the functions of management. For example, they classify the functions for planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, and all these functions very important to any course in business administration. Thus, I'm inviting you to attend this webinar, and I will try my best to make this webinar interactive as I can. See you at next webinar, Management Functions.